Ever stared at your Neon app, wondering how many login attempts it actually allows? You're not alone. We've all been there, frantically trying to remember that elusive password, and the dreaded too many login attempts message pops up. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about Neon's login limits. Neon, with its sleek interface and user-friendly features, has become a popular choice for many. But like any online platform, security is paramount. That's why login limits are in place to protect your account from unauthorized access. But how many attempts do you actually get? Is it 3? 5? Or something entirely different? The exact number of login attempts allowed on Neon can vary slightly. Factors like your account type, recent activity, and even your location can influence this limit. Neon employs a dynamic system that adjusts the number of permitted logins based on these factors. Generally speaking, you'll likely have a few attempts before encountering restrictions. This could range from 3 to 5 unsuccessful logins, but it's crucial to remember that this is not set in stone. Neon's system is designed to be flexible and adapt to various situations. So, what happens if you exceed the login limit? Well, you'll typically face a temporary lockout. This means you won't be able to access your account for a specific duration, usually a few minutes or even hours. This lockout period gives Neon time to assess the situation and ensure the security of your account. To avoid exceeding the login limit and experiencing frustrating lockouts, here are a few helpful tips. Strong and unique passwords. Choose a strong password that's difficult to guess and avoid reusing passwords across different platforms. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a one code sent to your phone, before you can log in. Use a password manager. Password managers can generate and securely store strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Be mindful of your login locations. If you're accessing your Neon account from an unfamiliar device or location, be extra cautious and double-check the login attempt. Regularly review your account activity. Keep an eye on your account activity for any suspicious logins or unauthorized access. Remember, these login limits are in place to protect your account from unauthorized access and keep your personal information safe. By following these tips and being mindful of your login attempts, you can ensure a smooth and secure experience with Neon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.